Fold and form pipe is a proven pipe rehabilitation technology with ASTM product and installation standards established in 1980s. Over 40 years histories, there are thousands kilometers installations all around the world. Fold and form pipe rehabilitation technology follows the following installation steps. Preheat. After the material and equipment is positioned at the job site, turn on the steam system to preheat the pre-manufactured fold and form pipe. Depends on the pipe length, thickness, and surrounding weather conditions. Preheat time normally varies between 1 to 3 hours with steam temperature around 95 Celsius. Pipe insertion. Once the pipe surface reaches 70 Celsius temperature and pliable enough, the pipe is ready to be put into the hosed pipe. Secure the winch cable at one end of pipe and pull the pipe through the hosed pipe at a speed less than 50 meters per minute. Plug both ends. After the pipe is put through the hosed pipe, cut the pipe from the rail with enough extra length for processing. Insert steam plugs at both upstream and downstream ends of the pipe for processing the pipe. It normally requires further steaming of the pipe for plug insertions. The steam plugs need to be centrally secured by steel bars or chains to prevent any movement during pipe processing. Reheat and process. The temperature of the fold and form pipe drops during the plug insertion process. Once the steam plugs are installed and secured, turn on the steam system and reheat the pipe. It normally takes about 30 minutes to reheat the pipe to desired temperature. Once the out surface at both ends reaches above 70 degrees centigrade, the pipe is ready to be pressurized. The steam pressure inside the fold and form pipe is controlled by the valve installed at the downstream of the steam hose, gradually regulating the valve to increase the pressure inside the fold and form pipe to expand to the inner surface of the hosed pipe. The steam pressure required for processing is generally less than 0.05 MPa. Cool down. Once the fold and form pipe is tightly fit to the hosed pipe, which can be observed at both ends of the installation length, gradually turning up the steam system and simultaneously turning on the cooling air system to cool the pipe. Keep in mind that the air pressure needs to at least equal to or slightly higher than the steam pressure to prevent any shrinkage during the cool-down process. The installed fold and form pipe needs to be cooled to below 35 degrees centigrade. CCTV inspection. Visually inspect the installed fold and form pipe with CCTV equipment. And treatments. For gravity pipe applications, the fold and form pipe is normally required to cut around 30 centimeters extended out of the end of the hosed pipe. For pressure pipe application, the fold and form pipe can be flanged to the end of the hosed pipe to provide secure and convenient connections. Fold and form pipe rehabilitation technology on-site installation process just changes the shape of the pipe from folded shape to tightly fitted to the inside surface of the hosed pipe. It doesn't change the material physical properties, which are determined by the manufacturing process in the environmental controlled facilities with stringent QA/QC protocols. This highly pre-manufactured technology ensures the quality of the finished product. There is no chemicals involved in the installation process. Eco Pipeliner offers fold and form pipe ranges from 100 mm to 1200 mm. Over 300 kilometers of Eco Pipeliner has been successfully installed both in gravity and pressure pipe applications globally.